my very first unboxing video. I'm going to open a Colonel Littleton Hunt bag number 18. I'm really excited to see it. So not only is this my first video, but it is also my first bag from them. My husband has a few things, but this is my very first, so I'm pretty excited. All right, let's dive in. Trying to carefully open this so I don't stab through. And they provide this handy little extra piece in case you do get a little rambunctious with your knife. Alright, so obviously it's packed well. It's got all this nice stiff paper to keep your package happy. Cute little bag, which has a moon pie, which I think is standard for their boxes, which is pretty awesome. A little chocolate with your presents. A little note card. They strive to be stellar. Oh, little coaster. Perfect. Awesome. All right. And their bags arrive in these really handy cotton bags, which I really appreciate. You can save them forever. All right. Has the Colonel on it. All right, you guys ready? Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. Look at that color, guys. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. I'm so super excited. Okay, so it's got this, it has amazing texture. Look at all these little ripples. Oh, it's so beautiful. There's their stamp and insignia on the back. It's got these nice little natural scars, which I love. Here's the strap. So they have these really handy quick release, which I really appreciate. And here's the inside. The stuffing. So in there, they have the unlined, which I love unlined personally. It's a really structured bag, which is great. It has a slip pocket in here with this little bitty pocket right here, which is great for receipts or your parking tickets or, you know, will call and that sort of thing. And then a slip pocket back here, which would hold, gosh, almost anything. It comes with this lovely strap, which you could use shoulder or crossbody, which I really appreciate because I kind of switch back and forth depending on what I'm doing. And it has adjustable rivets here. Adjustable closure so that I can adjust it for my height. Because I'm tall, I'm 5'9", so I usually have to adjust things to make it a suitable length for my body. So here, if you can see this, here it is, shoulder. If I wanted to do crossbody, perfect, love it. This is so great. Okay, so while I'm wearing it, I'm just going to show you. Here's my iPhone 7 Plus that fits perfectly in this back pocket with so much extra space in case I wanted it. This little pouch I carry everywhere with me. It fits with so much extra room. You guys could fit, a water bottle in here if you wanted to. It's amazing. Keys, phone. Look at this. I could fit twice or 3 times as much extra stuff. This is pretty awesome. I'm really excited. Okay, so an easy to close, simple, done. Guys, this is a beautiful bag. I love it. I really feel privileged to be able to show it to you and review it, and they should be really proud of this design.